Read or seen reports that Social Security offices are closing, one of those being in Houma. Eleanor Tabone spent the day trying to figure out if that office is actually closing, and she got answers for you. Now, the short answer appears to be no. The office is not closing, but it might be getting a little smaller.
The Associated Press published a list of locations whose leases for Social Security officers were possibly going to not be renewed. It was reported as part of the Trump administration's attempt to reduce federal spending. One of the field offices the AP listed was in Houma. We started asking questions, starting with, was the Social Security office itself going to close? We reached out to Congressman Cleo Fields, whose district includes Houma. He says he's not aware of any Social Security office closing.
We have not gotten a confirmation as to what offices will be closed, but there is talk about closing some offices.
We reached out to the Social Security Administration. They shared a list of closures. Under Houma, it said, this is a small hearings PRS, which is a room within another SSA office. As most of our hearings are held virtually, we no longer need as many in-person hearing sites.
Most of the offices that are closing are remote hearing sites where they would have hearings with disability hearings before an administrative law judge, which happens at the third level of the SSDI application process.
Steve Perigo with All's Up, an agency that helps people navigate the complex Social Security disability program, says if someone applies for disability and it's denied, they can appeal. He says if it's denied a second time, they can request a hearing before a judge.
For the most part, those hearings have changed to almost completely video and phone instead of in person. So a lot of Social Security space is just not needed anymore because they don't have to have people in person for those hearings.
Steve says these hearing spaces are what's closing at the Houma office. He says the office itself is not closing. We also spoke to the parish and they confirmed the entire office is not closing. Eleanor Tabone, WWL, Louisiana.